Hi kids, in today's session we will do the formula of plus 6. What is the big friend's formula of plus 6? Add God, less friend. Add 10, less 4. See, one's formula was one's friend was 9, nine's friend is 1. Two's friend was 8, eight's friend is 2. Three's friend was 7, seven's friend is 3. Four's friend was 6, sixth friend is 4, 5 is 5 only. We are talking about big friends here. So I have to do plus 6, okay. I have 4 with me. I have to do plus 6. How will I do? I just told you. Add God, less friend. Okay. Now, what else can we have? Okay, do one question with me. Add 7, add 2, add 5, minus 2, plus 2, add 6. Now, what should we do? This is the first type of question I'm explaining you here. What can we do here? I have to do plus 6 now. What did I tell you? Add 10 less 4. The answer is 20 now. Got it? No matter how many times you have to add the 10, you do it until our formula says. Okay? Okay, if you have any doubts, drop in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.